Nu.
Altså, ja,
Kom nu bare.
okay.
Ligesom
Ja,
før,
kom.
ligesom før.
Okay. Yes. This is the Monopoly claim.
Hello.
What's the problem?
It's because my parents just got divorced and I'm very sad about it. I don't know what to do. Please help me.
Yeah, that's a problem. You can choose by heart. If you would like, you can for some time you can choose your mother and then get over to your dad, go over to your dad. So you can switch over from time to time, or just choose by heart. That's my advice.
Thank you.
Okay.
Ja.
Hello.
Hello, this is Clement Monopoly. What's the problem?
It's because I just changed school and I moved to a new town and I don't know what to do to be accepted in my new class.
Just be nice and be yourself.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello, I have a problem. I'm a 17 years old girl who just got pregnant. My choice is to keep the baby, but I don't know how to tell my parents. Please help me.
I understand your problem, but I think you should tell your parents that you're pregnant, and if they love you, they will accept the choice.
Thank you.
Why?
Laver vi film.
Yeah.